all the regions marked with Independence Day with special parades. We take another news desk report.
In the Ashanti region, the security services, pupils from first and second cycle institutions and other bodies participated in the anniversary through parades. Contingents from both public and private basic and second cycle schools, school cadets displayed dexterity at the parade. The Ashanti Regional Minister, Mr. Simon Osementum, paid tribute to all who contributed to our independence. He commended Ghanaians for the peace in the country. As part of the celebration, an inter-schools quiz on breast cancer awareness took place in the region. In the Western region, the 61st Independence Day anniversary took place at the Jubilee Park. About 240 contingents paraded at the Jubilee Park for the March Past. The contingents comprise of the Ghana Armed Forces, the Ghana Police Service, prisons, the Fire Service, Immigration and the Metro Guards, 26 schools, 16 from senior high schools, 10 from the basic schools, as well as youth groups and cadet corps. The parade commander, squadron leader Gideon Akomiabota, took the contingent through several procedures for the March Past. The regional minister, Dr. Akufo-Addo, who inspected the parade, took the ministerial salute. He read a speech on behalf of President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. From Sunyani, Frida Aban reports that the venue for the parade was packed to capacity. The parade consisted of contingents from the security services and 112 basic, junior and senior high schools. Also on parade were some voluntary groups. The regional minister, Kweku Asomachreme, read the president's address and presented prizes to deserving schools and individuals. Students of the Ola Girls High School from Kenyase in the Esutifi district won the national debating contest. Oxford Business SHS was adjudged the best at SHS level, while Provident Preparatory and JHS won the honours at the JHS level. Kinsley Nanabwedu reports from Cape Coast that the Independence Anniversary Parade in the Central Region took place at the Golden Jubilee grounds. There were 5 cadet contingents from selected senior high schools in the region, as well as some selected pupils from Pedu LA, a Futu Basic School, and Pear Planche, Holy Child Girls School, St. Augustine's College, Adisadel and Ogwa Sektek were among the senior high schools that joined the parade. Associations such as Boys and Girls Brigade, Islamic Youth and Scouts took part in the March Past. The regional minister, Kwame Duncan, took the salute. In Tema, 1,800 contingents made up of students from junior and senior high schools, cadet groups, and other associations took part in the 61st Independence Parade. 15 junior high schools, 6 senior high schools, and 4 cadet groups marched past, while 2 clubs and 3 performing groups thrilled the audience to some Ghanaian cultural dances. In the Katamanso municipality, the chief executive, Mr. Solomon Apia, reviewed the parade. School cadets, private and public school pupils took part in the parade. The celebration at the Gas South Municipal Assembly took place at the Amanfrom School Park. The ceremony was graced by traditional leaders, government representatives and educational heads. About 37 public and private schools within the municipality took part in the parade. The Municipal Director of Education, Madame Felicia Ejewa, urged all present to back the President's policy of a Ghana Beyond Aid. The Municipal Chief Executive, Mr. Joseph Nyani Stephen, appealed for more support towards the improvement of education in the municipality. He announced that a plot of land has been secured for the One District, One Factory project. Awards were later presented to some deserving schools. From Wa in the Upper West region, correspondent Swala Abdul Wahab reports that a total of 33 schools comprising primary, junior high, senior high and special schools took part in the March Past at the Jubilee Park. A contingent of police, fire, prisons and immigration services marched past. The acting Upper West Regional Minister, Hamidu Isahaku, the Regional Director of Education and the Regional Police Commander took the salute. And in the Volta region, the Independence Parade was preceded by a display of fireworks last night. 26 officers, 256 security personnel, and 1,456 students drawn from both first and second cycle schools converged at the Whole Jubilee Park to commemorate the day. The reviewing officer was the Volta Regional Minister, Dr. Archibald Lecha. There was a gymnastic and taekwondo display by the Volta Regional Taekwondo Association. From Bolgatanga, correspondent Isaac Asari reports that the St. John's Park was the venue for the 61st Independence Day celebrations. The parade was inspected by the Upper East Regional Minister, Roxanne Bukari, assisted by Madame Ayiko and Lieutenant Colonel Dakwa of the Airborne Force in Tamale. This year's Independence Day anniversary was characterized with series of activities such as taekwondo and other spectacular displays from selected schools.